Hello students, today I am going to revise chapter number 5, Continuity and Differentiability, all board question. Question number 1, chapter number 5, question number 1, y is equal to root x square plus 1 minus log of 1 by x plus root 1 plus 1 by x square. Right? Find dy by dx. Find the derivative of this. Firstly, simplify the question before doing its derivative. Y is equal to x square plus 1 minus log. Firstly, simplify this term. 1 by x, you can write the calcium here, x square plus 1 here. When you further simplify, it will become root x square plus 1 minus log the calcium here. You know that root x square is equal to x. Root x square is equal to x. The calcium x. So it will become 1 plus root x square plus 1. Now you can apply here the property log m by n. Log m by n property, you know. Log m minus log n. Now we apply this property. Y is equal to root x square plus 1 minus log, apply this property, log 1 plus root x square plus 1 plus log x. Okay? Because you know that here minus sign is here, then we change the sign. Right? Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. dy by dx. And can you tell me the derivative of root x square plus 1? Derivative of root x square plus 1. The derivative of root x, you know, 1 by 2 root x. Same procedure. You can write 1 by 2 root x square plus 1. And the derivative of x square plus 1, x square plus 1 according to the chain rule, that is 2x. Because you know that derivative of x square is 2x and the derivative of 1 is 0. For the derivative of log x, you know, 1 by x, that is 1 by log 1 plus root x square plus 1. X square plus 1. Correct? And the derivative of this 1 plus root x square plus 1. 1 by 2 root x square plus 1. And the derivative of x square, that is 2x. Now the derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. 2 to 2 cancel. Clear? And the derivative of log x is this, only this part. Now 2 to 2 cancel. X upon root x square plus 1 minus when you solve this quantity, that is x upon 1 plus root x square plus 1 into root x square plus 1 plus 1 by x. You can check. Correct? You can check again. The derivative of this is 1 by 2 root x, and the derivative of x square 2x. Derivative of log x, that is 1 upon 1 plus the root x square plus 1, and the derivative of this here, the derivative of 1 is 0, and the derivative is 1 by 2 root x square plus 1, and the derivative of x square plus 1 is 2x. Here derivative of log x 1 by x. Correct? Now you can take common. Can you tell me the common from this and this? Common from this and this is x by root x square plus 1. X by root x square plus 1 here, minus, when you take this common, it will become 1 upon 1 plus root x square plus 1, and 1 by x as it is. 1 by x as it is. Clear? Now, further simplify, you can take LCM. Here, x upon root x square plus 1. Take LCM here, 1 plus root x square plus 1. LCM, right? And 1 plus root x square plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 by x as it is. The 1 to 1 cancel. 1 to 1 cancel. Therefore, that is equal to x upon root x square plus 1, and multiply by root x square plus 1 upon 1 plus root x square plus 1. Clear? This term, root x square plus 1 upon 1 plus root x square plus 1, and 1 by x as it is. 1 by x as it is. And you know that this term cancel. Now, x upon 1 plus root x square plus 1 plus 1 by x. Correct? This is the solution of this question. Clear? This is the answer. Okay. Now we start next question. Next question, we start. Second question, x square plus y square whole square is equal to xy. And third question is y is equal to sine inverse 5x plus 12 root 1 minus x square upon 13. Clear? Question number third, x square plus y square whole square is equal to xy. We want to find the derivative of this function. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. Twice x square plus y square and the derivative of x square plus y square. Derivative of x square plus y square. Derivative of x square plus y square, that is 2x plus 2y, and the derivative of y, dy by dx. In the right hand side, apply product to it. In the right hand side, apply product to it. X as it is, derivative of y, dy by dx plus y as it is, and derivative of x 1. Clear? Now you can take from here you can take 2 common, or you can multiply this by this, that is 4x x square plus y square plus this multiply by this, that is 4y x square plus y square dy by dx is equal to x dy by dx plus y. Right? This is the derivative of this. Now transfer those term which contains dy by dx. Shift this term to the left hand side. Shift this term to the left hand side. That is dy by dx. You can take common from these two terms. That is 4y x square plus y square minus x. That is y minus 4x x square plus y square. Y minus this term. And dy by dx. Dy by dx, your answer is y minus 4x x square plus y square divided by this term divided by this term, that is 4y x square plus y square minus x. This is the solution of this question. Correct? Check now. Clear? This is the solution of question number 2. Now we start question number 3. Question number 3. Find the derivative of sine inverse 5x plus 12 root 1 minus x square upon 13. You want to find the derivative of this. Firstly, simplify. Sine inverse, you can write 5x by 13 plus 12 by 13 root 1 minus x square. Root 1 minus x square. In this question, we have to let 5 by 13 is equal to sin A and x is equal to cos B. 5 by 13 sin A and x is equal to cos B. Clear? Now we solve sine inverse. In place of 5 by 13, you can write sin A, and in place of x you can write cos B plus, you know that if sin A is equal to 5 by 13, can you tell me 12 by 13 according to the triangle A? This is 5 and this is 13, then this is 12. You know that perpendicular by hypotenuse is sine and the base by hypotenuse cos. So therefore in 12 by 13, according to this 12 by 13 you can write cos A and the square root of 1 minus cos square B This is the solution. Again check. Clear? In this question, special question, we have to let 5 by 13 sin A and x cos B. If here sin inverse written, then we have to let sin and cos, sin and cos. If here cos inverse is written, then we have to let both cos or both sin. Clear? Now sin A cos B plus cos A and square root of 1 minus cos square B, that is sin B, correct? Formula, you know, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B formula. This is trigonometric formula. Yes, pink. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B trigonometric formula. That is sin inverse. You can write sin of A plus B, and this is also formula A plus B. Now can you tell me from here what is the value of sin, what is the value of E? Sin inverse, value of A is this, sin inverse 5 by 13, and from here what is the value of B? Cos inverse x. Now dy by dx. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. And the derivative of this, can you tell me? Derivative of this, it is a constant term. And the derivative of constant term is 0. And the derivative of cos inverse x formula, you know very well. Derivative of sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x formula. So derivative of cos inverse x, that is minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. To minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. This is the solution of question number 3. Clear? Check now. Check these questions. Clear? Now can you solve one more question? Y is equal to log x to the base 7. Y is equal to log x to the base 7. Base change formula, you know. Log of a to the base b. You can write log of a divided by log of b. This is base change formula, correct? We apply this formula here. You can write log of log x divided by log 7. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. Dy by dx 1 by log 7 as it is, 1 by log 7 as it is, and the derivative of log x 1 by log x, and the derivative of log x is x. This is the answer. Clear? Your homework: revise chapter 5 and solve assignment completely in your fair copy. Thank you.